Hello friends, welcome to Ecomed, where economics is simplified and made easy for you people. So this channel has been started exclusively for you people in order to help you people, and this channel will be focusing on some of the aspect of the economics, and it will be teaching you all the concepts from the basic to advanced level in the areas of economics. So these are some of the objectives of this course, and this channel will be of course having certain kind of objectives, and it will be running this course will be conducted keeping in mind some of the objectives which we have already mentioned here. You can just read them. So the first objective would be to help 12th standard students for their boards preparation. We know that there is a lot of material available, and lecture series are available, but this lecture series will be as per the new syllabus, and this will be giving you the best understanding and will be giving you the depth understanding of the each and every concept which is there in the each and every chapter. So at the end of each and every chapter there will be a test for some people who will be watching the videos first. A second objective which is mentioned here, you can just see that discuss with you students different concepts in the economics in a simple and lucid language. I know that this subject is a technical subject, and many of the students do not understand the concepts which are then there in this subject area. So what the teacher has to do, either it has to mug up the subject, or students do not understand the subject, so that's the main problem. And the third objective which is kept here is to provide conceptual clarity of different economic concepts, and also give you the depth understanding of the different topics which are there. So stay tuned with the class, stay tuned with this channel, subscribe the channel, like the videos, and hit the bell icon for such latest videos. We'll be discussing each and every concept in the detail. Thanks.